How's it going, gents? Here we are today in the middle of a pine forest. We have a mission today, that is to find a Christmas tree, WR450F, here on a mean single track. Let's get going and I'll tell you why I'm doing my mission, how I'm going to achieve this on this technical little single track here. It's quite technical, this one. More of a mountain bike kind of track. So here I am in a pine plantation, and my goal is to find a small kind of sapling of a pine tree, something small so I can cut it down, attach it to like the back of my bike or my backpack or something, bring it home. Whoa, man, this is tricky. Now obviously I can't just go into the state forest and cut down a pine tree. This is a pine plantation of a state forest. It belongs to someone, but luckily I've got a few mates who've got properties that kind of border this pine plantation. One of them told me his kind of back fence is on the end of this single, and he said there's a whole bunch of small pine trees that kind of grow next to this kind of pine plantation. Come on. So I'm going to ride this little single track, try and find, he says as long as they're on his side of the road, they're his property. 450 isn't a big fan of single tracks, a little bit too much power, and likes to overheat quite easily. When does this end? Oh, here we go. Alright, an open space. This is what the 450 likes. Alright, loose stones. Woo! Brakes. Alright, right. There's his fence line. So this is his property. He says there's lots of private property signs. Yep, that's it. Alright, I can see some big ones. Oh, there's a little one. I don't know. Kind of want just a little Christmas tree that I can hack down. Oh, I'm not looking, I'm wheeling, I should be looking. Surely there's got to be, oh, there's a good, oh, right there. Oh, look at that little one. He's perfect. Yeah, just that little rascal. That's a good little tree. I'll just cut him like there. He's got some nice little ferns. He's not too wild. Just cut him there. Luckily I brought my axe. I was going to bring my chainsaw. Thought I don't really need much to get these little guys down. I reckon just here. Oh yes, piece of cake, man. Got him. My Christmas tree. Yes. Now, brought some straps and stuff. I reckon I can just go like that. I'm very into Christmas. If you don't know me, I'm a huge Christmas person. I always do the toy run. I have, like, my work has like no decorations at all except for my desk, which is always like got crazy amounts of Christmas decorations on it. I'm obsessed with Christmas. Me and my dad actually used to go and cut down our own Christmas tree. There's some areas that I don't think this was legal back then, because it wasn't our friend's property, but everyone used to do it back in the day, man. The good old days. You just freaking go out to the woods and just cut down your own Christmas tree. But it was a good freaking bonding experience with my father. Going out. Sometimes, see, when you're out in the woods, the Christmas trees, they look kind of small against the real trees. So we'd get home, we'd realise we've cut down like a 9-foot freaking Christmas tree and there's no way it's going to fit in a house. Mum would be like, what the hell were you thinking? So, you know, not, there we go. Christmas tree. That's not going anywhere, mate. Oh, yeah. Now, this is Christmas tree shopping. This is what it's all about, man. Woo! the Christmas tree on the back of my, out of my backpack. Fourth? Fourth would be good for a wheelie? Let's find out, eh? Yeah, it'll do. Look out for kangas. Where are the kangas? Don't hit the kangas. I should really stand up wheelie. Probably have better control with kangaroos. Let's go third gear stand up. That's better. Don't have the arm strength. Oh, this looks better. Frick yeah. Track. Track. Woo! Oh, now I don't know where I'm going. Oh well, we'll find out. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Can't see shit. Going. GPS isn't telling me where I'm going. Keep up, GPS. Come on. Come on. Stop embarrassing me. Oh, this is tight. Whoa. Gunk, gunk. Oh, actually freaking hitting shit. Oh, this is a mountain bike track. Ah, it's the worst. Not good for 450. Christmas tree, I'm sorry. Hang in there. We'll get out soon. Effort. Oh, it's so hot out here. Oh my god. This is not made for motorcycles at all. Ow. 450 hates this shit. I can't ride it quick enough so it just overheats. Alright, I gotta get out. A bit excessive for that little tiniest log in the world. Can't do that on the 250, man. You can't be like, oh, fourth gear, here's a slight crest. That's fifth gear. That's not fourth gear. That's the top of fifth. Fifth gear. Wheelie. No clutch up. No clutch up. Fifth gear bagger. Now we go in. This looks like a little bit more wild. Off the beaten track a bit. I'm going to my creek just to see if it's still flowing. So I wouldn't mind coming camping in here. And I want to see if there's any water. It's pretty dry. I don't think I've been here in a while. Freaking hell. Whoa. Big ruts. Whoa. Tree. Man, it's good having a good front tire on this thing. Anyway, I'm gonna mish home somehow. I'm pretty far away from the car now, and get this Christmas tree home and find a way to mount it and keep it alive somehow. I want this Christmas tree to have the best life ever. I'm gonna bang up this hill, find a way out of here. Anyway, have a good Christmas, gents. And there it is, gents. Christmas trees in my house. I just welded up a little frame, a little steel frame, and now it sits there in my kitchen. We went on so many adventures, this little Christmas tree. Now he's here in my house.